Interactive drama and good fighter. Fuck yes. Hello? What's going on? Game, could you please stop jumping around like an idiot? What the fuck is going on? Couldn't have been that hard to open and close the door. Jesus Christ. Okay, so who are you? Some form of detective?
Lauren Winter. Ring any bells?
Nope, can't say it does. Oh, that Lauren Winter. 3rd floor, last door on the left at the end of the corridor.
Thank you. Okay, are we just going straight upstairs? I guess we are. Straight upstairs, door to the left, did you say? I already forgot.
Lauren Winter?
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Mouse is what I was supposed to do that time.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by me.
Is this the mother? I already forget her name. She turned herself into a whore. Is this the mother?
Put your money on the table. You got exactly 10 minutes. When the alarm rings, it's over, okay?
Oh my god, what the hell is this shit? Good for you, I'm not here for sex. So what am I supposed to do here exactly?
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
Shit, a cop. I should have known. What you want, a freebie? Is that it?
I already paid.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the origami killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
No. It's my job. Convince.
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested.
My Johnny's dead, so what difference does it make?
I understand, Lauren. I know what you're going through.
Do you?
Oh yeah? You know what it feels like to find your own son's body on a wasteland? I'm sorry, I don't believe you have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.
If we don't find the killer, there'll be other mothers who find their son's body on a deserted wasteland. But you're right. Why should you care? It's not your problem anymore, right?
Sorry for being cruel, but I need answers. Stop talking.
What do you
Sorry.
want to know?
After all, he's a detective. I want to know about Johnny's home.
Did Johnny live with you?
Yes. Of course, I made sure he never met any of my clients. I wanted to stop, you know.
You were a
We needed
whore
the
even
money.
back then?
I was trying to earn enough to get us out of here.
How did your son
Jesus
disappear?
Christ.
He used to go play with the neighborhood kids after school. It was pouring down something awful that day. I'll never forget it. All his friends came home around 5. I'll accept him.
Uh-huh.
You want one?
No thanks, I quit.
That's brave.
Yeah, brave, sure, whatever you say, lady. These are some interesting camera angles. Oh, really?
Did you suspect anyone after he disappeared?
I meet a lot of pretty shady characters in my line of work. Sure, I thought of it at first. But it didn't seem to make any sense. I don't believe any of my clients could have done that to my Johnny and all those other kids.
Do you know if they found anything on the wasteland? Any leads or witnesses?
No. He said you must have run away and you probably end up coming back. His body was found 5 days later with an origami figure in his hand and an orchid on his chest.
Just my 10 minutes, really?
Time's up, Mr. Shelby. I hope you got what you wanted.
I don't even
Now
know
get
if I
out of
got
here.
what I wanted. Is there one more question? No? Yeah, I'm just gonna walk around your room a little bit. Oh my god, dude. I swear. You're as bad as the other one. Gonna do anything, or are you... I don't want to pick up the money. Leave it there. Don't be an asshole. Alright, I'll see you later, lady. Keep the money. You gave me your time, I pay for your time. Can I knock on other doors? No? Okay. Was this an asthma attack?
Lauren! Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
Troy, what are you doing here? I already told you I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, Dal, but I really wanted to see ya.
How about fucking no? Kick the door open already!
What do you want, asshole?
Lauren! Is everything alright?
Obviously not!
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser! You again? If you're looking for trouble, you found it. I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. Oh!
Oh yeah? Oh Christ. Don't fuck it up! I want to do this perfectly! Go Shelby, go! You are a fucking champion! Is this how you want to make love?
I call the cops! Troy, I will call the cops!
I am cop, kind of. Really? Oh, W. Okay, I made one mistake. Ah, shit. I made two mistakes.
Troy, no!
Ah, okay, we're doing good. S. Oh, almost fucking up. Is there music here? It sounds weird. Okay, we're almost there. Please. Are all fights like this? Are you done? Kick his ass.
I'll see you again, asshole.
Fuck out of here.
Are you alright?
I am fine.
Better than him, I guess. Who is he?
An ex-client who thinks he owns me. He was getting violent, and I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
Well, you should be careful. He'll probably be back. Sorry about the mess.
Mr. Shelby,
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah.
thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Well, I'm glad I didn't fuck that up.
God.
I already like you, Shelby, even though I made you go and save her. Still, I feel like you look like you look like the kind of person. Press and hold down the indicating button simultaneously until they disappear. Why? What? You're not making any sense here. Hello? All at the same time? Are you taking drugs? Okay.
Yes, Jill. A body was found here on this patch of wasteland early this morning. The police are still searching the scene and questioning anyone who might have seen something, but no information has surfaced yet concerning the identity of the victim.
Okay.
Of course,
Dead body.
everyone's wondering if the body
Yo.
is part of Jeremy Bowles and has the organ
Never mind.
again. In any case, our
Yo.
hands on the scene.
The zone is sectioned off, sir. Please step back.
Agent Norman Jaden, FBI.
You got a badge or something, Mr. Jaden?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Here you go. Here's my badge.
Check. You can pass.
Thank you.
I'm looking for Lieutenant Blake. Is he around?
I saw him arrive earlier. He's here somewhere.
Thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
God, my hands are trembling. I gotta keep my act together. At least for now.
Or maybe you should quit.
Goddamn rain hasn't stopped pouring since I arrived. I'm really gonna love it here.
Yeah.
Reporters. Already. Huh. You seem well informed.
Let's go back and ask. Can we ask them any questions? They're already gone. Jesus Christ. Never mind. Can you walk any faster, my dude? Guess not.
Video memo recording, Agent 47023, Norman Jaden, Tuesday, October 4th, 2011. Time is 8:14 a.m.
Okay. What kind of cyberpunk shit have we stepped into? It wouldn't let me do anything. There. Oh no, dude, put them back on. What the fuck? Dude, put them back on. Oh, okay. Interesting.
Pretty chilly, huh? When did they find the body?
Excuse me, bud. Who are you exactly?
Norman Jaden, FBI.
If you want to ask questions, you should speak to Lieutenant Blake, sir.
Is that a coffee you're drinking there?
There's some in the thermos behind you. Help yourself.
Thank you!
Lousy weather, huh? Does it always rain like this?
It rains every fall. Doesn't it do that where you come from?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, of course. I was just looking for him. Do you know where he is?
Okay. Kind of obvious, but whatever. Aha, coffee. Hell yes. Don't like it, but hey, it's hot, right? Really, you're not gonna walk around with it? It's a bit of a waste, you know?
Married camera. Sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland.
Okay. So before I go to him, I just look for shit, right? I'm assuming that's all I do. I just look for shit. Not sure what I'm looking for though. More DNA. I suppose. Is there something over here? Yes, there is something over here. I almost missed this.
Very common. Traces of footprints leading toward the body. They don't look like those of the police. No correlation with the body for the moment.
Great! We found something. I am the best FBI agent in the world. There's more. Almost missed it.
Very common. Traces of blood on the railroad track. The blood report indicates an advanced and long-lasting state of exhaustion.
If you say so, my dude. Can we get hit by a train? Wouldn't that be hilarious? Oh, there's something here.
Dead cat. The FBI doesn't keep files on dead cats. Not yet.
What do you mean, not yet? So as far as we can go? Yes. Oh, there's something else over there I didn't see. I wish you'd walk faster, my dude. Can we please... Oh, train.
Some orchid pollen. The concentration of pollen in the air is quickly decreasing because of the rain, but it gets higher in the direction of the body.
Okay. You say so, my dude. Is that the body?
You there! What are you doing?
I wasn't done!
Lieutenant Blake? I'm Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning. They told me you'd be here.
Now, if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place. Mike, will you tell that asshole with the bulldozer to stop for 5 minutes? I can't hear myself think here.
Right away, Lieutenant.
Well, are you coming, Jaden?
Yes, of course.
So, what happened?
Some guy taking his dog for a piss found a body about 6 o'clock this morning. We don't know much more right now. Based on what we've seen, looks like the work of the origami killer. Any news on the coroner?
He's on his way, Lieutenant.
We've been waiting for an hour, for fuck's sake.
Has the body been identified?
No, not yet. We should know more later today.
Has the time of death been established?
Based on the rigor mortis, must be less than 6 hours ago. We should know more once the coroner has had a look.
Any witnesses?
None yet. Given the neighborhood, I'd be surprised if anybody saw anything. Tony, I don't want to see a single shit-stirring journalist within a mile of here. You got it?
Yes, Lieutenant.
Do we know the cause of death?
There are no marks on the body. Chances are he was drowned, like the others.
Do you have any leads?
My men are going over the scene with a fine-tooth comb.
You
If
sure?
the killer left anything behind, we'll find it. Listen, I'm a little busy here. Why don't we discuss all this a little later, back at the office?
Oh, no problem. I understand. Do you mind if I have a look around?
Be my guest. Hey, Jaden, you come and see me if you find anything, okay? We're on the same team now.
If you say so. For some reason I don't like you. Am I supposed to not like you? All these fucking footprints are everywhere. Never noticed. Okay, back on to what we were doing. Is there even anything else we'd look at besides this?
Airy comment. Sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland.
Yeah, to contaminating the area. Wish I could have more freedom of camera. It's so much easier. Anything else? There has to be something else. Oh, I forgot. I have right click.
Strange character, that Blake. Didn't seem too pleased to see me.
Of course he didn't.
Blood on the tracks. But where did it come from? There's a railroad track near where the body was left. Same as all the other victims. Way too many people here. They're trampling all over the crime scene.
Yeah, no shit.
The body is still here. The body is still here.
No shit.
Harry comment. Sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland.
Really? Come on. Alright, checking the body now, eh? There's nothing else we can do here, right? I think I searched everything. Look at all of that.
An orchid was placed on the victim's chest.
Okay, and?
A small origami figure in the right hand.
Yeah?
Fingers were probably closed after the time of death. The victim is Jeremy Bowles. Declared missing 5 days ago. See reference file.
How do I do this thing again? Oh, AD.
Superficial wound on the right thigh. Blood analysis suggests it could be post-mortem. Probably a scratch that occurred when the body was being moved. Small wound on the right thigh. And the blood is the same. His face is covered with mud, like the other victims.
Okay. Now what? Is that it? Am I done? Or is there more? Oh. Didn't I not do this already?
Unrelated to the investigation.
Are you sure? It might be.
Impressive. Seems the only traces the killer left are those he intended to leave. He knew exactly what he was doing, right down to the tiniest detail. The killer must have carried the body here. Gotta be tracks around here somewhere.
Okay, so you want me to find some tracks, huh? Unless you're referring to the train tracks. Are you referring to the train tracks? Can I just leave now? Right, let's just leave. I don't think there's anything else for me here. Alright, Lieutenant, let's go.
I'm heading back to the office. You staying?
That's an option.
Yeah, I'm gonna have another look around if you don't mind.
Take all the time you want.
Why would it give me the option to stay? That seems strange to me. Is there more stuff here? Or have I already checked everything? Pretty sure I've checked everything. But hey, you never know. Is there anything else that I missed? I don't think so. Alright, you know what? I'm just leaving. Unless I'm supposed to follow this trail right here.
Very common. Pollen particles disappear in the tall grass. Probably the end of the trail.
Oh, really? Says who? There is more stuff here.
Very common. There are traces of blood on the fence behind the railroad line. It comes from the victim. The killer came this way with the body and probably grazed it on his way through the fence.
Okay, is that it? Can we go up? So there is more! And there you're all muddy. Oh shit. Congratulations, you made it up. More! We're getting all the dirt on you. Jeez. Oops. Up you go, I suppose.
There's a good chance that they're the killers.
Yeah, good. So I would have missed all of this if I went away.
comment. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line. It may be the killer's car.
Yeah, maybe.
I think I've seen all there is to see.
Really? You only think. I guess, what did you expect? Alright, we can finally leave then, yeah? Nothing else to see. Good, I've seen everything. So I would have missed all that if I didn't check thoroughly. Don't fall! That is only 2 key binds. There you come again! Alright! We're out of here! Finally! This took longer than I wanted it to take. But then I checked all that. And what is with this cyberpunk shit? Right, we're out of here, right? You're gonna make me walk all the way back to the car myself.
I think I've seen enough. Better get back to the station before I catch pneumonia.
You sure? Alright then, off you go. You are drenched and you are filthy! Such a clumsy cunt! I didn't put my seatbelt on. Oops. Did I miss anything? I don't know. I don't think I did. I think I was very thorough. You have unlocked a new bonus. What the fuck does that mean?